Are you curious about creating free videos with AI tools? If so, then this tutorial is a must-watch. Before you begin, if you're interested in trying out new AI tools, simply click on the eye symbol above or use the link in the description. Now, let's get started with the topic. Using my video description link, go to Gen 2 Runway. Once you arrive, click on the Sign in to Runway option located at the top right corner of the page. After clicking, you will be redirected to a new page. Now, proceed to click on the Try Runway for Free button located at the bottom. After clicking, you will be prompted to sign up either with your email or your Google account. Once you have completed this step, you will be redirected to the actual page. As you scroll down, you will have the opportunity to explore various features such as text-to-video, image-to-video, 3D capture, and many more. If you continue scrolling down a bit further, you can also access tutorials on how to use the platform to generate videos from text or images. However, rest assured that you don't necessarily need to watch these tutorials because I am here to provide you with guidance. Finally, as you scroll even further, you can explore output examples by simply moving your cursor over the creations. After you've had a look at the creations, simply scroll back up and choose either the Start with Image button or the Start with Text button. Upon clicking, you'll need to input a description along with an image for the video creation. Instead of providing the text and image separately, opt for the image plus description option. This way, you can input both the image and description simultaneously. Now, proceed to upload your image. If you don't have copyright-free images available, refer to my tutorial on creating images using AI by using a video description link. Once you've uploaded your image, provide a description for that image, explaining how it should be transformed into a video. Please ensure that your description is under 320 characters. Once everything looks good, click the Generate button to obtain the video results. Be patient as it may take some time to generate the results. Once the result is ready, click the Play button to preview the video. The video duration will be just 4 seconds. If you wish to extend the video length, click the Extend button, which will automatically lengthen the video. When you're satisfied with the video, click the Download button to save it to your system. These are my creations crafted using this AI tool. Feel free to create again and again if you'd like. I've also included input text for each of my creations in the video description, and if you wish, you can take it as a reference. That concludes today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more future AI tools. Thank you, and goodbye.